name is Cameron Stout. I'm a Senior Director of Partnerships at PackSize. An ASRS is a warehouse technology. It stands for Automated Storage and Retrieval System. It will automatically store products that have come from the outside world and need to be cataloged and put away, and it will retrieve them when they're ready to be packed and shipped. So the reason why someone would want to introduce PackSize next to an ASRS system or a goods-to-person system is to reduce the overall labor required in order to fulfill orders in any given warehouse. And what I mean by that is with an ASRS, it's going to optimize the picking area of the warehouse. So getting orders in and out of storage is going to be very easy. They're going to reduce the labor required to do that. But what usually happens is that once those orders are complete, they will go in a tote, they will get conveyed, and they will go to a manual packing station. When you're at a manual packing station, that individual can only package orders at a rate of about 45 packages an hour, which is extremely slow. So if you have this picking engine that is moving extremely fast and able to churn out maybe thousands of orders, but then you have this bottleneck at the end of your packaging process where someone can only do 45 hours, then your only choice is to throw a lot of people at that. So PackSize is going to allow you to really automate the packaging process in two different ways. So the first one is box first, where you're creating the shipping carton first based off of order data. We would drive a right-sized carton to the port of this picking port where the items are coming out of storage and ready to be packed into an individual box. Once that box is packaged, then all you need to do is worry about getting a shipping label on it and closing the box, or maybe adding void fill if that is necessary. The other way would be box last. With box last, you're going to take those totes and drive them to one central location, the mouth of a PackSize machine, where operators are just taking items out of the tote, placing them on the conveyor in which a carton would be wrapped around. Either way you do it, you're reducing the labor significantly. You can reduce up to 90% of the packing positions that are required to fulfill and create the orders to go out the door. But the beauty is that once PackSize has actually packaged those orders in a right-sized carton, then that's where an additional savings bucket gets unlocked. So first off, you've used less corrugated to package that item, you've used less void fill to package that item or set of items, and then once you actually get it out the door, the average savings impact is 50 cents per order. So you save money on the inside of the warehouse through labor reduction, you save money on the outside of the warehouse once it gets onto a FedEx or a UPS truck, and overall your total cost of ownership with these systems combined is significantly less than if you did one or the other.